guess it gave me purpose, yeah. You know you bad, you worth it, girl, you give me purpose, yeah. I swear you're my person, so I can't desert you, yeah. Yeah, I hope you know you're perfect, you deserve it, girl. Beautiful.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Ndung'u. I hope you're all doing good. And so as you can see, I've just woken up, and my video today is all about fashion, still about fashion, but I'll be telling a story of how I got into fashion, as in vile nilikuja kurealize I can do fashion and stuff. And nitakuwa nikiwapea story as I do my makeup. So I hope you all stay tuned and yeah, watch this video till the end. So this is what used to happen. So we were still in high school, and then tukitoka shule, unajua uko na ile pocket money ulibakisha katikati ya semester, as in term. Tukitoka shule, me and my friends tunaenda soko pale Mtush, you know. Hey, let me do my eyebrows. So tunaanza na eyebrows. So tunaenda soko, I buy some trousers, tops, viatu, hivyo tu, yani pole pole tu. And then nikienda home, nivae nguo, my mom and bro ananiambia, unajua kumachisha and stuff. Alafu mimi nawambia thanks. Ina happen if my brother wants to go somewhere, ananiambia what should I wear, as in this and this, nawambia. And then inatoka tu perfect to get. So it reached a time when I was in campus, my brother told me, as in, do you know fashion pays? Cause huku nje watu wengi hawajui kudress and stuff. Oh, let me finish my eyebrows first and then we'll continue this. So he shared the IG handles of the people wenye wa wana dress kina Sauti Sol, kina Wasafi and the rest, and I was like, okay, so fashion pays. And I was like, okay, let me try something of the sort. At least I tried doing some 2 outfits or 3. And man, so the moment nilifanya like 2 outfits, I was like, as in, niliona, as in, people were just commenting saying that I know how to dress and stuff. At least I'm trying. And I was like, maybe let me try, as in, niendelee tu, maybe itanipeleka somewhere, you get. So kwa eyebrows, kwa eyeshadow, you just choose any color of your choice. And this concealer at least inasaidianga eyeshadow ipop, as in that glow you get. So we'll go with I don't know what this color is called. Sijui ni color gani, but okay, let's just try it out. It's not that, as in, okay, so this color, as in, high pop sana. It's just like a simple color, but I love using it a lot. Yeah, so let's apply the eyeshadow. I don't know if you can see any difference. Haionekani hapo, but okay. Maybe the end result will be okay. Yeah, you see there's a difference between this eye and this one. And so after that, after I did several outfits, nilikuja, as in, you ever umeijipata kwa ile situation ya, as in, unataka tu everything to do with fashion, anything you do, it's all about fashion, you get. And so yeah, basically that's it. As in, now, so as you can see, sunaona, as in, yeah, I don't know what's up with the light, inanisumbua tu kiasi. So after that, now that's when I started uploading videos and pictures about fashion and stuff. Yeah, basically that's it, as in, hapo ndo nilifika. So let's head straight to the imeanguka. So let's head straight to the foundation part. Make sure ukibuy foundation, utafute foundation ya, as in, skin tone yako, you get. And yeah, so let me finish up. Yeah, so I've worked on the light, so sijui kama it's way much clear. So what I tell you guys, if uko na passion ya something, just push it, as in, it doesn't matter how long it will take. I'm not yet there, as in, okay, it's hard, but just keep on pushing everything. Kila kitu tu ni pole pole, as in, usikuwe na pressure ya anything. And so yeah, I'm done with my face bit. I hope you all like it. And then people have been asking how I do my lips. It's basically something very simple. You just take your lip liner and some lip gloss, as in it's something very, very simple. So yeah, let's head to it. Gosh, what's happening over here? Let me wipe it a little bit over here. Yep. And so basically that's it. It's something very simple. You just take your eyeliner, a lip liner, sorry. You take your lip liner and then you apply some lip gloss. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you've enjoyed my video. Yeah, stay tuned. Share the link to your friends. Hit that subscribe button. Sielewi mbona just subscribe. Okay, let's just help each other grow. So yeah, till next time. Bye.